Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Art E Pics. I am Payal. Wish you all a very happy Bengali New Year. আর আমার তরফ থেকে আমার সমস্ত দর্শকদের এবং ইউটিউবের সমস্ত দর্শকদের জানাই শুভ পয়লা বৈশাখ। As a Bengali, we all started our Bengali New Year with the puja of Laxmi and Ganesha. That's why in today's video I'm going to share with you my Ganesha Madhubani painting. If you like my drawing, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming new videos. I hope you like my drawing. Please keep watching until the end. Thank you in advance. We all know that Madhubani painting is famous for its wide decorative borders, marvelous patterns, vivid colors, marvelous 2D paintings, etc. That's why in my painting I draw a wide decorative borders and I draw the Ganesh in the middle of the page, and also I draw a little bit of flower at the end of this paper. Now to color this painting I used DOM's 14 set poster colors. I almost finished the coloring. Now it is needed to give them a border. As we know, that Madhubani painting is a 2D painting, so giving the border or the defining the edges is the most important in this kind of painting. That's why I'm using the dark black gel pen for giving the border or giving an outline of this whole drawing. As you can see, I almost finished the bordering, and you can see that giving the border in the 2D painting makes it more beautiful and more enhanced looking than previous. Now I'm going to use a white paint to create some patterns to look this image beautiful or more attractive than previous. You can use any kind of white colors. Maybe you can use a white paints if it is available to you, or you can use the white brush paints or the poster colors, whatever your choice. You can grab that and make the pattern. Whatever pattern is in your mind, you can do it. It's totally your choice, because the painting is in your hand and make it beautiful is your choice. Just remember one thing: when you are going to draw something or create something new, then just relax your mind and be happy, and you will see your free mind and your happiness makes your creativity much more attractive, and you will see this going to be your most precious things in your life. You will understand it one day. No more talking. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.